WPC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
We are looking at something really special happening tonight. It is the peak of the annual Geminid meteor shower. This is one of our top storms that we see, meteor showers rather, that we see all year long. So this one is going to produce between 100 and 150 meteors, but because it will be competing with the moon out there, which is still pretty big, we're only going to see 30 to 40 meteors per hour. Now, the reason we're going to be able to see them, even though we're going to be competing with the light of the moon, has to do with the fact that they're moving really fast. They move at 78,000 miles per hour. And because they're moving so fast, they burn a little brighter, which means that we should see them with the naked eye, too. If you want to go out, note that temperatures will be dropping through the 20s, and at times the wind chill will be in the teens. So please keep that in mind. Bundle up. And the cool thing about this storm is that if you're not an overnight person, you can start seeing them as soon as 9, 10 o'clock tonight. So, yeah, maybe get outside. Bundle up, though, and bundle up is like going to be our mantra as we go through the course of the next 24 hours, because not only are we going to hold on to the cold weather, we're going to start to pick up a very gusty wind. It's not going to be here during this evening, though. So right now we do have temperatures that are in the 30s. We do have wind moving in from the northwest, and it is making it feel like the lower 30s. We're going to see that wind have a bigger impact for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning's wind chills are expected to be in the single digits in Providence and areas north. It will likely feel closer to 10 in Newport and 13 in Westerly. So these would be the temperatures to dress for if you are headed out this hour, or that hour rather. Now, as we go through the day, winds will be gusting around 30 miles per hour, so the warmest it is expected to feel will be about 27 degrees in the afternoon, even though the actual air temperature is going to be about 10 degrees warmer. Our satellite and radar checking clear. We have high pressure in charge of our weather. It's anchored right up here. Yep, same high pressure area that was here yesterday. And it's going to give us the clear sky tonight and a good deal of sunshine through tomorrow. It's also going to hold a couple areas of low pressure at bay. First of all, this one here that wants to move in from the east. It's going to be sort of shunted out of here toward the east as that area of high pressure also starts to finally move. It will open the door, though, for this system here, and this is going to be a storm that will likely develop a coastal storm that will then roll by the region. And once that development happens, it's going to be a big transfer of energy and has the potential of bringing us a good deal of rain as a result. So Thursday night would be when we would see the onset of rain. And yeah, we're talking rain here in our corner of southern New England. If you want to find the frozen stuff, higher elevations, western portions of southern New England. And it looks like as of now, we could see an inch or more locally in rainfall, all associated with this system. To give it a little perspective, 1 inch of liquid typically would equal 10 inches of snow. So thankfully, it's not going to be snow. It's going to be rain instead. Overnight tonight, we're looking for the winds to finally pick up. We're going to see those gusts settle in around 4 a.m. So between now and then, the wind chill will be a factor, but not as much of a factor as it is going to be tomorrow morning. So please keep that in mind. It's going to be a hat, glove, everything required day for tomorrow. I'm expecting highs that will top out around 37 degrees. And again, with that gusty wind around 30 miles per hour. There's your rain for Friday. After that, we clear out fairly quickly and sunshine should take us through the weekend.